Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous class, already we have discussed about how to calculation of consumer price index number. Let us know about the one more problem to how to solve the consumer price index number or cost of living index number. Okay students, this is the problem. Compute CPI. CPI means consumer price index for the year 2008 and 2012 with base 2000. The base year is 2000. We have to calculate CPI for 2 years here. In the previous video, we are solved the different types of problems, but we are solved only individual years. But in this problem, we have to solve the 2 years information at a time. Okay students, let us know about the what are the given information in this problem. First they are given information of items. Next they are given information of group index. Group index they are given 2 years information. In the previous problem they are given only 1 year of group index. In this video and in this problem they are given information of 2 years information. First one is 2008, second one is 2012. Next they are given information of group weight. So group index first year we can indicate as a index 1, we can denote as a index 1. Next group index of 2012 we can denote as a index 2. We should find out the 2 years index. Okay. Next they are given information of group weight. So weightage we can indicate as a W. So base year is 2000. We have to calculating the consumer price index for 2008 and 2012. Okay students, I think all are understood this one. In the previous problem they are given only 1 year information. In this problem they are given information of 2 years information indexes. Okay students, let us know about how to solve the problem. Solution for this problem. First we should write down the what are the given information as it is we should write. First they are given information of commodities means items. Next they are given information of group index of 2008. 2008 we can denote as a index 1. First year index. Next they are given information of group index 2012. It is a second year index, index 2. Next they are given information of group weight, so that we can indicate as a W. This is the given information. Given information we have to write as it is first. A, B, C, D and E. So first we should write down the as it is 140, 220, 125, 150, 135. Next index 2, 210, 300, 140, 200, 160. Next they are given information of W 3, 10, 5, 12, 11. This is the given information. Next we should apply the formula. First we can apply the first year index. So CPI is equal to summation of WI1 first year information 1 divided by summation of W. This is the formula for index group of first year 2008. Next again we have to apply second year information CPI summation of WI2 divided by summation of W. This is the way of formation. Okay students, so what are the required information here? we required information of WI, WI1 and WI2. We required information of this. So that information we have to identify in a table. First we required information of WI1. Next we required information of WI2. These are the required information. First we should find out W into I1. W into I1. 33 into 140. 33 into 140, we will get the value 4620. Next 10 into 220, we will get 2200. Next 5 into 125, 625. Next 12 into 150, we will get 1800. Next 11 into 135, we will get 1485. Next we required information of W into I2, means index number of second year. Second year index is 2012. So we have to multiplication W into I2. W into I2. 33 into 210. 33 into 210, we will get the value 6930. Next 10 into 300. 10 into 300, we will get 3000. Next 5 into 140. 5 into 140, the value is 700. Next 12 into 200, we will get the value 2400. Next 11 into 160, we will get 1760. So first we should find out the, before applying the formula, first we should find out the what are the required information. So after that we have to make a total. We have to make a total of W. Make a total of W, summation of W. If you make a total of this, we will get 71. Next we have to make a total of WI1, means summation of WI1. So if you make a total of these values, we will get 10,730. We will get 10,730. Next we have to make a total of WI2, summation of WI2. If you make a total of this, we will get 14,790. 14,790. Okay. So after the making a total of the table, next we should apply the formula for first year. Next we have to apply the formula for second year. First we can apply the formula for first year. This is the first one. CPI, summation of WI1 divided by summation of W. CPI, summation of WI1. I1 how much? Summation of WI1, the value is 10,730 divided by summation of W, the value is 71. If you simplification of this, we will get the answer 151.13. This is the first one. We have to apply one more year, because of in this problem they are given index of 2 years. First year we are already calculated. Next we should apply for second year index. So second one, CPI, consumer price index, is equal to summation of WI2 divided by summation of W. Summation of WI2 we already calculated, the value is 14,790 divided by summation of W is 71. So we have to simplification of this CPI. If you simplification of this, you will get the answer 208.31. This is the answer. This is the first year index, this is the second year index. Okay students, I think all are understood how to calculation of this. In the previous problem, they are given information of only one index or price. When they are given information of index, we should apply here I. When they are given information of price, we should apply here P. Okay students, this is the way of calculation of when they are given information of 2. Sometimes they are given information of 3 years. So again we have to calculate same like that. After that we have to apply one more formula. CPI summation of WI3 divided by summation of W. This is the way of formation. Okay students, thank you all.